Thanks to click this video. Hello viewer, this is Kausar. Are you interested to know about Samsung Galaxy A10? Today in this video I am going to unboxing it. So stay tuned and keep watching my video. The Samsung Galaxy A10 is Android smartphone. It was released in March 2019. The Samsung Galaxy A10 is super fast performance that make it best. In this phone, its back part is bright and clearly infinity V-shaped display, 13 megapixel camera and extra 32 GB memory is free with this phone. Before start the video, I want to say if you are new in my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. If you are already subscriber in my channel, then thank you so much. So without wasting time, let's start. After open big box, I found the little box. I know this is the service manual only. Okay, I keep it separate. Now this is the phone, Samsung Galaxy A10 with plastic cover. I will explain it later. Now leave it. This is the 32 GB MMC. You can get it free with this Samsung Galaxy A10. Okay, leave it. After leave, this is the earphone. Okay, I open it. This is the stereo earphone. This quality is, I check it before, its quality is good, not only good. Inside there is a receive button. Using this button you can make call and also cut call. Okay, now I keep it separate. This is the micro USB cable. You can get it free with this cable. You can use charge and also data transfer. Okay, leave it. I keep it separate. This is the charger for this phone. You can make charge it quickly. The other phone like Samsung Galaxy S8, S10, Samsung S7 Edge, it has quick charging option, but this phone you can quick charge it. And this last thing is SIM rejector. SIM rejector pin. Now it's time to open this phone. For open this phone, remove this plastic. Yeah, its body shape is quite good, slim and elegant design. Here, this is the SIM tray option. You can put it here, 2 SIM card and 1 memory card. This is the 3.5 mm audio jack port, and the second one is for charging and the third hole is for microphone ear. Let's fold it and take a look other things. This is the power key, and near this is the volume down key, and this hole is for only for hands-free microphone. When you talk using hands-free, using this microphone, your voice is transferred. This is the 5 megapixel selfie cam for this phone. For first time on, it may take few minutes. Don't be panic. After turn on, first choose your language and then set up all of step. You can skip it, no problem. For time save, I do it faster. Okay, all done. We finish all step. This is Samsung Galaxy A10 home screen. Wait a little. Yeah, this is the home screen. The all apps like the Android, all apps are like same. This is not, is different. I'm going to setting, about phone. Now you can show this Android version, phone capacity, etc. Inside it showing model number SMA105FN. Let's scroll down and check status. Yeah, you can show this is the official release, and here is 2 IMEI. I mean you can use 2 SIM card and 1 MMC card. For security setting, I mean lock your phone, you can use only swipe, pattern, pin, password and also face recognize option. And inside there is pre-install some application like Facebook, Instagram. Now it's time to check its camera. Take a look. I already opened this camera. First try to zoom out, zoom in. Okay, and now I take a photo. Well, I show you. This is the picture that I shoot some second before. Okay, let's check its video quality. I shoot some video clip. Okay, take long video. Stop. Okay, you can see it's play on mobile screen. Okay, now I show you in my, this is the clip that I shoot some second before. This is not all of. Before buy this phone, please visit my web address. I will put it in my video description. If my video is helpful, please share with your friend and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.